Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are making very quick and delicious snack called Pyaz Pakora or onion fritters. For this recipe, we going to need onion, besan or chickpea flour, salt, turmeric powder, Heeng powder or asafoetida, Garam Masala, crushed coriander, red chili pepper, Kasuri Methi or Fenugreek leaves, water and oil to fry. Okay, so I cut in slices, not like really thin, but it's gonna make it crispy if you have that thinner slices. Alright, so it's look like these, but once you mixing, it's gonna be all together. That. And then we have a methi leaves in there, which is some people called Kasuri Methi. It is, I don't know why, and it's basically fenugreek leaves and they dry them. Crushed coriander, don't make it so fine. Garam masala, we have a Heeng powder, we have a chili pepper, little bit turmeric and a salt. So we're gonna mix it all together, but I think I'm gonna use my hand once it's all mixed. Besan or chickpea flour, we're gonna add a little at a time and mix it. A little bit water. If you have a lot of chickpea flour you're adding in there, it's gonna make a softer. It's nothing gonna be different, but it's still healthy and good. But if you have a less besan in there, it's gonna be more crispy side. Okay, so we can add more. I think all of that. You can always use less or more, because everybody has their own way to like their things. I think I'm gonna use little more because it was a half cup for one onion, and I think I can use a little more besan if we want to, but otherwise it's just kind of basically your onion in a very spicy way. Okay. So I am adding, that was a half cup of besan, and like I'm adding another tablespoon. So that means 1 cup and tablespoon, around that. You can use less or more, but I thought that this is good. At this point you can check the salt. Don't add your salt like all the salt at once. Use a little, then you check it, and then you can just add more if you need it. Okay, so our batter is ready. It looks like this, and basically it's coated, not like over coated. Okay, so I turned on the stove like on low when I was mixing, so that way we can save the time. And our oil looks like hot. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put one in there and see if it's ready. It's not, so we're gonna higher the heat now to medium. While you hear this sound, I think somehow there is like kind of drip of water there. That's the reason it's making a like little different kind of sound. Okay, so this one is done. So now we'll add it, and that'll be the okay. So if your oil is on low heat, really low heat, your pakoras absorb more oil than actual. You can use a spoon if you want to, but I do not want to use it, so you just like leave it in there like this. But with the hand you have a more control, so you can just gently drop the pakoras in there, basically the onions. Whenever you cook your anything, so like a pakora basically, because you want to cook all the way. So once even your heat is up when you pouring this mixture in, but once they like get their shape and then little bit cooked, then you can lower the heat to little less than it was when you start pouring. That'll help to cook them better, and then it gives a beautiful color. If your heat is really high all the way, then your pakora gonna be cooked so quickly, and then it's not gonna be tasty because you will get the burnt taste in there. Because besan has its own flavor. If you overcook the besan, it's even now you're not gonna like that. You don't want to eat that. I don't know about other people, but I don't. That way you don't want to waste your stuff. For the onion pakora, if you don't have anything in home, just onion and besan, salt and pepper, you're good to go. Okay, look at us. It's easy and quick snack. So all done. I will meet you in minutes. We're all set. So you don't wanna make them like overcook. Okay, here is our Pyaz Pakora or onion fritters ready to eat. You can eat with chutney, ketchup, or as it is. It's good snack with the tea. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. If you are my returning viewers, thank you so much for watching. I will see you with a new video. Until then, enjoy.